Ito guys. Yan. Sarap. Ito yung tinulang buo guys. Buong manok guys. Tikman natin. Sarap guys. Ating guys. Sarap guys. Kain na guys. Ito na guys. Lagyan na natin ng milk sarap para masarap. Talbos na kamote. Lagyan na natin. Kulo na guys. Tikman natin. Sarap guys. Thank you for watching guys.